Okay guys, we're going to try this lab today, or activity, and you're going to do it at home, and I think we should be able to get through this pretty easy peasy. Alright, first thing, I need you to find a couple things. I need you to find green crayon and a yellow, or green and red crayon, or color pencils, or markers, and I need you to find 2 or 3 sheets of notebook paper, and a couple of containers like cereal bowls, or I found these, I saved these sour cream and dip containers and wash them out and reuse them. So preferably something that isn't see-through. So the directions are all right here, but sometimes they can get a little confusing, so I'm going to try to walk you through it a little bit. So first off, it says that our traits are passed on to offspring from parents, and half the traits are received from one, the father, and half from the mother. And so we're going to try to show you how that works today. The traits depend on which alleles the offspring receives from the parent. And so if you know the alleles, then it's possible to predict the alleles in the offspring. Okay? So our purpose today is to identify the alleles of the offspring that result from the genetic crosses, and this activity will show the possible outcomes. And so we're altering our materials a little bit. If you have paper bags, you can use those, but you can just find the cereal bowls like I asked, and we're going to make our paper balls at home. Okay, so let's move over to the area to make what we need. Okay, so what I would like for you to do is take a sheet of notebook paper, and I would like for you to label male parent and female parent. So you know which one is which, male and female. Okay, and then I want you to put your containers there of who represents who. Okay, then I would like for you to take your red crayon, and I'd like for you to shade the whole paper, so you can do a better job than I am of this. Okay, and then I want you to cut the paper in half and in half again. And then I want you to do the same thing with the green crayon. Shade the whole paper. And like I say, you can do a better job than I am. And then I want you to cut it in half and in half again.